Are you feeling nervous that Amazon ads might drain your budget with nothing to show it? Now, I totally get that because I have been in the exact same spot myself. In this video today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how I learned how to use the ACOS, the ROAS, the ROI to turn Amazon ads into one of the smartest parts of my KDP campaign and how you can do the same. Now, don't be afraid of all these acronyms. We are going to break them all down. We're going to make sure that you come out of this video fully equipped. In the description, I have got a free download with all of these keywords on it. So just click the link and you can download it. Okay, so let's get into the free strategies that helped me and also other Amazon KDP authors boost their results using Amazon ads. So firstly, we need to set realistic targets that are going to fit your project margin. And honestly, I think this is where most beginners go wrong. They jump straight into ads hoping for massive instant results without checking whether their targets actually make sense. So let's break it down in terms of calculating our ACOS and our return on ad spend, and then let's show you how to align those with your profit margin. So our ACOS, this is your ad spend divided by your sales multiplied by 100. It's going to tell you what percentage of your sales income is going towards ads. Then we have our ROAS. This is our return on ad spend. This is your sales divided by ad spend, showing you how many pounds you've earned for every pound you spend on ads. So, for example, if your royalty per book is £3.50, a 20% ACOS means that you're spending around 70 pence to make that sale, leaving you plenty of profit. But if your ACOS creeps up to 60%, you're spending over £2 and you're eating into your earnings. So when you set realistic ACOS and return on ad spend targets, you're going to know exactly when your ads are working and of course when they're not. So there's going to be no more guessing, no more stress. Now, if you feel as though you need a little bit more support with this, then don't forget to grab my Amazon KDP marketing ebook. The first people are getting the early bird discount, so don't miss out. The link is in the description and in the pinned comments. So here's a real life example. Nat from Rags to Riches, a UK self-publisher, used this exact strategy. She launched a planner with a small ad budget and aimed for visibility over her instant profit. Her ACOS started high at around 70%, but after fine-tuning and keyword optimization, it dropped to around 20%, and her sales more than doubled. This proves that clear targets and patience can pay off. And I've seen this happen time and again with my own advertising and budgets as well. Next, we need to think about how we're going to scale your ads gradually without any additional stress. Now, one of the biggest mistakes I see is people throwing all their budgets into ads at once, hoping for overnight success. Instead, I think you should start small, around £5–10 a day, whatever you're comfortable with, and only increase your budget when you're seeing consistent results. The goal is basically watch for a stable ACOS or an improving return on ad spend before scaling. This way, you're not gambling your budget. And this is basically exactly what Nat did with her planner launch. She didn't scale right away. Instead, she waited until she found the profitable keywords and her ACOS had dropped. Then she gradually increased her spend. The results, well, her sales took off and her ads became profitable. Another great example of this is Sam from Amazon KDP, another UK-based author. He used a multi-campaign setup. Started small and again scaled only when he could see the results. By refining keywords, adding negative keywords as well, which are the words or phrases you don't want your Amazon ads to show for, these help stop wasted spend. And lowering bids, He doubled his daily sales whilst keeping his ACOS under control. Now let's move on to match types, because when you're refining your keyword targeting, it helps to understand match types. So we've got a broad match. This is where your ad may appear for searches loosely related to your keywords. Then we have a phrase match. This is where your keyword phrase must appear in the shopper's search in the same order. Then we have exact match. This is where the shopper's search must exactly match your keyword. Sam basically transitioned many of his performing keywords to exact match to control the spend and improve conversion. And that's the power of strategic data-backed scaling. And again, this is something that I use in my Amazon ad strategy. And I found that once you come off of that auto ads and go more into the manual, that's when it really makes a difference. And this is our third point really, is that fine-tuning regularly for ongoing improvement. Running ads isn't just a set it and forget it job. You need to go in and make sure you're checking it, I would say at least weekly. And this really helps your campaigns remain profitable. So if your ACOS starts creeping above your targets, lower your bids, the amount you're willing to pay per click, or pause underperforming keywords, the words or phrases that you're targeting within your ads. If you spot a winning keyword or ad group, allocate more budget to scale those successes. Both Nat and Sam and myself follow this principle closely. Nat makes weekly optimizations, checking in which search terms converted and which ones wasted ad spend, often identifying the difference between a keyword that she targeted and what people are actually searching for. This helps you to decide when to double down. Sam monitored his return on ad spend and regularly adjusts his bids and campaign types, moving from automatic to refined manual targeting. And that's how they're keeping their sales climbing without breaking the bank. Now, there are even bigger case studies to support this. One small planner brand that ran sponsored brand video campaigns on Amazon's actually tripled their ad spend during Amazon Prime Day promotion and saw a 76% increase in revenue. Another seller doubled their daily sales using sponsored display ads for retargeting. These real examples show that ads, when optimized properly, don't just help, they will scale your business. Now, I cover all of this inside my Amazon KDP Marketing 101 ebook. Now it is currently on an early bird offer, so do not miss out. Click the link down in the description and get yourself a copy. You're still watching this video because you're exactly like me. You want clarity, you want control, and you want confidence. You are so ready to stop guessing, stop wasting money, and it's about finally making those Amazon ads work smarter for you. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see you in the next one. See you. Bye.